Did it from the back, watch a nigga bless you, bless you.
Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iPhone Nape back with a new video. On this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your iPhone photo video on your desktop, So as you can see, I'm gonna copy this or cut, it doesn't matter, and I'm trying to transfer to my PC, and it shows the error. It says right here, hold on, so you can see, so it will try to transfer the video or the picture. I think it just works only a video only. So it says a device attached to the system, it's not functioning. So how do you fix this? There's an easy simple method, guys, so I'm gonna show you. So you have to go to your phone. Okay, first you have to go to disconnect your phone. Once you disconnect your phone, go to setting and go to photos, then go all the way down and you will see transfer to the Mac or PC, and it does have automatic. If you do have automatic, click on keep original. So once you click keep in original, you good to go. So all you have to do is plug it back in, and let's go to the back to the computer. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna choose the same video, paste here. So this will work, this will do the job, guys. As you can see, it's already copied and pasted on my computer. So that's how you fix this problem, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please like this video by clicking a like button right there, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And as always, I will catch you on next video, guys. Peace.